Painting is one of the easiest ways to transform your home. A fresh coat of paint can make old furniture look new, brighten up your walls, and completely change the feeling of a room. But anyone who has painted before knows the struggle. Brushes and rollers can be slow, messy, and tiring. You dip, roll, and repeat for hours, and sometimes the finish still looks uneven. That's why many homeowners and DIY lovers are switching to paint sprayers. A paint sprayer gives you faster coverage, smoother finishes, and less effort. You can paint walls, fences, cabinets, furniture, and even outdoor projects in a fraction of the time. Whether you're refreshing a room or doing a big home makeover, the right sprayer can save you time and energy. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best paint sprayers that make painting easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Number 1. PICKITOLES Electric Spray Paint Gun. If you want power and performance, this one stands out. It comes with a 1,000-watt high-torque motor and upgraded cooling vents. This means stronger airflow, smoother spraying, and faster project completion. Compared to rollers and brushes, it can help you finish jobs in nearly half the time. The 1,400 milliliters jumbo container is a big advantage. You don't need to stop often to refill, which is great for fences, furniture sets, and large surfaces. It includes 6 nozzle sizes and adjustable spray patterns, so you can switch from detailed trim work to wide coverage easily. Cleaning is simple thanks to the quick-release design and included tools. You also get gloves, goggles, filters, and cleaning accessories in the box. Number 2. ZippyZebra Electric Spray Paint Gun. This sprayer is great for beginners. It includes 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, making it flexible for many projects like cabinets, desks, walls, and fences. The adjustable flow control lets you manage how much paint comes out, giving better results with less waste. At only 3 pounds, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold during longer jobs. Your hand won't feel tired quickly. It's also easy to assemble and clean, which makes it ideal for first-time users. Number 3. Tilswall Cordless Electric Spray Paint Gun. If you hate dealing with cords, this is for you. This sprayer uses a high-speed, brushless motor that reduces noise and vibration while delivering smooth finishes. It even has a gentle start feature to prevent paint splatter. The side feed refill system lets you add paint quickly without removing the whole container, keeping things cleaner. Since it's cordless, you can paint anywhere: outdoors, garages, fences, or rooms without nearby outlets. It supports multiple spray patterns and adjustable flow for precise control. Built-in safety features protect the battery and motor for longer life. Number 4. Tiagowell Electric Spray Paint Gun. This one focuses on versatility. It comes with 5 brass nozzles that are durable and suitable for many projects like doors, tables, chairs, and even pickup trucks. You get 3 spray patterns and adjustable flow control to reduce paint waste and improve finish quality. It handles many materials like latex, varnish, lacquer, stains, and chalk paint. That makes it useful for creative DIY work. Assembly is simple and beginner-friendly, and cleaning tools are included. Number 5. LUDERIGNITE Electric Spray Paint Gun. This sprayer is all about convenience and value. It features a 1,200 milliliter container that covers large areas quickly. You can paint walls, fences, and furniture without constant refills. The 650-watt motor delivers strong and consistent spraying for smooth finishes. It includes 5 precision nozzles and a viscosity guide to match different paint thicknesses. The highlight? It comes with 2 batteries and a charger, so you can keep working without stopping. You also get filters and cleaning tools to prevent clogging. So, which paint sprayer is right for you? If you want maximum power and a complete kit, number 1 is a top choice. If you're new to painting, number 2 is simple and beginner-friendly. If you want cordless freedom, number 3 is very convenient. If you use many paint types, number 4 offers versatility. And if you want great value with batteries included, number 5 is a strong option. A good paint sprayer can save hours of work, reduce mess, and give your projects a smooth, professional look. Painting doesn't have to be stressful. With the right tool, it can actually be fun and satisfying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more reviews and top product lists. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.